iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Now, this is my choice for the best robot vacuum for most people. The iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus really stands out as an efficient robot vacuum with its advanced AI navigation, superior suction power, self-emptying dustbin, and dual functionality. And what this does is provide users with a hands-free and intelligent cleaning solution. The J9 Plus has precision vision navigation technology. This provides it with a keen sense of awareness and navigation, ensuring it maneuvers effortlessly around your home. Equipped with V-SLAM technology and a 3D sensor, it creates detailed maps for precise cleaning. Now, the J9 Plus comes with a powerful suction system and the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. The allergen lock dustbin has a fantastic 99% capture rate for pollen and mold. This ensures a comprehensive clean for all users, especially those suffering from allergies. The J9 Plus utilizes smart scrub technology to deliver a powerful clean. Its innovative mopping system applies consistent pressure while moving back and forth, and this removes stubborn stains with twice the scrubbing power of standard mops. The iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus really combines its smart scrub technology, allergen lock dustbin, powerful suction system, and precision vision navigation technology. So if you're looking for a high-quality robot vacuum that has a reasonable price, the J9 Plus might be the best pick for you. Next, I have the Shark AV2501S. This is my choice for the best robot vacuum for small spaces. The Shark AV2501S is an efficient and powerful robot vacuum thanks to its powerful vacuum suction, matrix clean navigation technology, 360-degree LiDAR vision, and 120-minute battery life on a single charge. Now, the Shark AV2501S packs a punch when it comes to sucking up dust, dirt, and debris from your floors. With its powerful vacuum suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, the AV2501S easily captures dust, pet hair, and dander on all kinds of floor surfaces. It's also equipped with matrix clean navigation technology. So that means the AV2501S cleans in a precise matrix grid that takes multiple passes over dirt for your entire home. This ensures that you get that deep clean. Plus, it has 360-degree LiDAR vision that helps to accurately map your home to ensure that it can detect and avoid objects in its path, which is fantastic for small spaces. The AV2501S has a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris. And with a runtime of 120 minutes on a single charge, the AV2501S ensures that it can vacuum your whole house without needing to recharge it right away. The Shark AV2501S stands out as an incredible robot vacuum with its 120-minute battery life, 360-degree LiDAR vision, matrix clean navigation technology, and powerful vacuum suction. The AV2501S is a great fit for those who are looking for a robot vacuum that can handle all the tight squeezes and small spaces in their home. Next